Top city in Iceland for walking. Reykjavik, the capital of Iceland, is the best city for walking enthusiasts. Its compact size, vibrant atmosphere, and stunning blend of urban life with natural beauty make it an ideal destination for exploring on foot. Here are some highlights. Why Reykjavik is perfect for walking. Walkable layout. The city is small and pedestrian-friendly, with most attractions located within a short walking distance. Wide sidewalks and dedicated pedestrian streets make walking easy and enjoyable. Scenic waterfront. Stroll along the iconic sculpture and shore walk, where you'll find the Sun Voyager sculpture and stunning views of the bay and Mount Estja. Laugaver Street. Reykjavik's main shopping and dining street is perfect for a leisurely walk. It's filled with local boutiques, cafes, and restaurants showcasing Icelandic culture, historic charm. Explore the old harbor and neighborhoods with colorful houses, such as Þingholt, which offer a glimpse into the city's rich history. Landmarks. Walk to famous sites like Hallgrímskirkja Church, Harpa Concert Hall, and Jörnin Pond, each offering unique photo opportunities and cultural insights. Nature meets city. Walking paths like those around Perlan and Hill combine natural landscapes with city views. Tips for walking in Reykjavik. Wear comfortable, weather-appropriate footwear. The weather can change quickly. Stay hydrated, especially if you're walking long distances. Plan your walks during the summer for longer daylight hours or winter for the magical northern lights. Reykjavik's charm and accessibility make it a walker's paradise, perfect for exploring Iceland's unique culture and stunning vistas at your own pace.